Hi everyone, Steve Sirico, Dance Teacher Web, and today we're going to work on a hitch kick exercise. Now a hitch kick is an exercise that is really fantastic to develop a lot of strength and power in their grand bat mas. So we're going to also add with it a little layout. So you can just do hitch kick, plain, or a little bit more advanced version is with a layout. Great power building exercise for your dancers. Okay, so we're going to start off just with the basics on hitch kicks. Now once your students learn this is a fantastic exercise to do across the floor. But let's first start off. Amanda's here to give me a hand. You're going to start with the right foot in back, and they do a little leap onto that right foot. So they leap, and you'll notice the other leg goes back, and then you switch. Now you step through with that right foot, and you kick and kick. So the left leg, after your weight's on that right foot, they kick the left foot, and then at the same time they're going to kick that other leg up. Right before the other foot hits the floor, that right leg goes into a big kick. So do it slow one more time, Amanda. So you have 1, 2, 3, kick. And you'll notice her arms are up in the air, nice and lifted. You can also have your students take your arms to second. So let's do that again. Take your arms to second this time. 1, 2, 3, 4. And they're nice and lifted and placed in that upper body. So if you're doing this as an across the floor exercise, you're going to do it on the same foot, one direction, and then you can reverse it to the other side. So Amanda, let's have you go over here. So now we're going to do it traveling across the floor. So Amanda, starting on your right, you have a 1, 2, 3, kick, 1, 2, 3, kick. Very nice. And your students can just keep going right across the floor doing that with a nice kick. Now, let's take it to another level. Now we're going to add a little layout at the end. So Amanda, let's just go through it slow one time. Why don't you face sidewards again? And now you're going to just do, let's go through it slow. So you do leap, leap, forward, kick, layout as that foot comes down. So do it slow one more time. And you'll notice as she does the first little jumps, she's jumping on the foot, almost kind of replacing where the other foot is. So they get that nice lifted feel, layout step. So now we'll have Amanda do it going across the floor. One plain and one with the layout. 6, 7, and 1, 2, really kick. 5, 6, 7, 8, layout and step. Very nice. All right, so this is a great layout exercise, also great hitch kick. And on these hitch kicks, I really want my students to get the feel of really exploding into that kick. So they're going to kick as hard as they can the second kick. 1, 2, step, and bang. Great exercise to really give them a nice lift and nice explosion. It also develops, increases their grand bat mas. So enjoy this one.